Oh. It just died on me. Oh shit, it's overheating too. Shit, this is not good at all. Where do they have water and air? Let's see if this will buy me some time. Where do they have the water and the air here? Water and air. Oh, water and air. Oh, damn. Wait. So I'm sorry guys, I'm not going to be able to continue the test drive video with this Honda Civic. It overheated to the max and that totally stinks. But let me show you where I'm at. So here's a Civic in all its beauty. It's a beautiful Civic, 2002 Honda Civic, only a 2-owner, California, 160,000 miles on it. And we're having some overheating problems. I checked the water, it is good. I checked this water too, it is good. Check the fuses, check the relays, everything is good there. Got my Milwaukee light to light the way. Tested this switch, tested my fans, everything seems to be good. The only thing that I noticed is you touch this hose here and it is hot. I mean, it is burning hot. And then this bottom radiator hose, I can just grab it, hang on to it. I can be here for 5-10 minutes. The motor's hot. Whew, don't even want to touch that. But this, it's cold. The radiator hose is freezing. And this one, can't even hold it. So that's what I think is going on. Just order the thermostat and whatever gasket comes with it, probably some silicone and whatnot. And we'll get it done. As soon as we get it done, we'll be back to our video. Oh, little Civic. We're going to get you going, buddy. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe. See you guys next time.